Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this really simple vegetable side that you can enjoy with so many different dishes. Start by gathering all the ingredients. You need a bunch of vegetables, scotch bonnet peppers, onion, salt, oil and seasoning cube. I'm going to start by washing my vegetables really thoroughly, making sure to get in between each leaves, and then I'm going to start slicing. For kale leaves, I like to arrange the individual leaves on top of each other. That makes it really easy to cut. And I'm using kale for this recipe, but you can go with any vegetable you can tolerate. I really like kale, that's why I'm using it, but other vegetables you can use are ugu or pumpkin leaves, spinach, water leaves, Swiss chard, efo and so on. You can also do a mix of 2 or more vegetables. It just depends on what you like. I've chopped the leaves and next I'm just going to go over it with a knife like this to get it into smaller pieces. And you can add or remove the leaf stems depending on your preference. I added some of it, but I took most of them out. After cutting the leaves, I'll set that aside and then I'm going to cut the onions and peppers. I'm using red onions for this, but you can use any onion that is available to you. Chop the onion into small pieces, and if you don't like seeing onion in your dish, you can either blend this or cut it into even smaller pieces. Next, cut the scotch bonnet peppers or attardo. You can use as much or as little as you like for this. You can also chop and add a little red bell pepper if you want more color. Next, heat up a little oil in a pan. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Add the chopped onions and peppers and just fry this for about 2 minutes or so until the onions become a bit soft and translucent. I added a bit of salt just to enhance the taste of the onions and peppers. Cook for a few minutes and then add the chopped veggies. I'm going to season immediately with some salt, a little crushed chicken seasoning cube and garlic powder. You can also add any additional spices you like. I'll give this a quick mix so everything comes together, and vegetables don't need too long to cook, so I'm going to be cooking this only for a few minutes. I'll cover just to allow the vegetables steam for about 1 minute, and after that the vegetable side is ready. You can enjoy this as a side when eating pasta, yam, beans and so on. I'm going to be eating this with some rice and chicken stew. I recently shared this chicken stew recipe on my page a few days ago, so you can check that out if you want. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about this recipe, feel free to leave me a comment or send me an Instagram DM. My Instagram name is Kiki Foodies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.